Welcome to a brief tutorial on how to create bit.ly links for your applications in computer science class. First thing you're going to want to do, especially the first time, is go to your friend bit.ly, which you can just spell like this, and bit.ly will come up for you. Now you're at the bit.ly.com website. And what you want to do is you want to make your own account. It just makes everything easier and allows you to use custom links that you can name yourself. So I'm going to click on create a free account. I'm going to just have it use my Gmail account because I created a special account just for you here at BHS. And I'm going to sign in to my free account. I'm going to use it. And now I have a new account. Oh, I have to go through some security. How boring. All right, I am going to mark other because I'm using it for educational purposes. I'll type education. And I'm just going to start creating them. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to, for example, first go to my app. This is my app, my HelloWorld app. I'm going to click on the word share. When I click on the word share, I get a link. I can also send it to my phone, but I'm going to steal this link. I'm going to power click and I'm going to say copy this whole link. Make sure it's all selected. It's this humongous URL. So I'm going to take that link. I'm going to go back to my bit.ly and I'm going to create a link. I paste down the super long link. And then instead of using the ones they give me, I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to call this just for you BHS. And now I'll add the word app. Ooh, a little long, but boy, my shortener looks kind of long. But anyway, so bit.ly just for you BHS app. I click on save, and now I have the bit.ly. I can copy that bit.ly. And boom, it's now in the clipboard. And then I could paste it down in my slideshow wherever I needed it. So if I wanted it to be right here, I could put, well, actually I want it to be right, nope. I want it to be where people can run my app. They can run my app right here. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to go paste. Oh, I haven't made a copy of it yet. It's view only. But if I were to paste it down right here, my link would be right there, and you could shrink it, adjust the size, whatever you needed to do. Let's also check out how we would do that with our website. So what we can do with our website is, here is my website for HelloWorld. What I can do with that is I can take that link, that permalink for the site, and it should look something like this. If you're still in the editing mode, you might want to click on that publishing mode. And you copy it. You copy down that link. And then you go to bit.ly. And you paste that link. Oh, I'm going to save this one. My bit.ly has been edited. Yay. And now I'm going to create another one. I'm going to create this bit.ly. And I want to customize it because I want it to have like its own ID, and I can call it web page just for you. Save it, and now that bit.ly web page just for you has been saved. I can copy it. I can go to my HelloWorld template and I could paste it down right here, and then this link would go to this page very easily, and it's really super cool. Makes it really easy. Remember, if you're doing a presentation and you want people to play with your app, make sure that you put it on the first couple of slides, because sometimes it takes a little while to type it in, or people are a little slow to get it in. So it might be helpful to put it on the first couple slides. Just a tip, pro tip, to make your app even cooler and have even more people check it out. It's also kind of cool because bit.ly will keep track of how many people used your bit.ly, which is a way you can keep track of how many people actually went to see your app. Pretty darn cool. Thanks everyone, and good luck making your bit.lys.